And then today, we are back with the idiots in cars, and it's with a twist. Try not to laugh. We cannot laugh. That's it. We just can't laugh. My name is Alex. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Go check out Fail Army, link in the description below. And thank you, Fail Army, for letting me react to your videos. I need y'all to click that subscribe button. Make it great so we hit 100K subscribers by the end of this year. That's my goal, please. You see that red subscribe button down below? Please click it. I appreciate it. And I need y'all to click that like button if you guys like me doing these these idiots in cars, these car fails. Click that like button with this video to hit 25 likes. I appreciate it. Stop! It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's in the closet. I need y'all to get yourself some advanced GG. Use my code REALALEX. It's gonna pop up on your screen before I even said that. It's REALEX. So get yourself some. Tons of flavors and you get 10% off. You got stuff for boost. You got stuff for hydration, focus, energy, immunity, sleep, and you can go check out their merch. Link in the description below of the website. Use my code REALALEX, or it's REALEX. REALEX. I guess that's it. Yeah. You don't know if it's supposed real or Alex. So, and go check out my other channels. Link in the description below. And let's get on today's video. We cannot laugh, and please play along. Where is my phone? I actually have no clue where it went. It is probably gone. Oh, it's in the corner over there. Okay. Slowly, keep going. Ooh, okay, we got a Camaro. No! That's just so unlucky! Oh, that's just so unlucky. Idiot. Oh, just stop it. You're embarrassing yourself. Oh my gosh. Freaking hit and run. Oh, that Prius is gone. Gone. Nope, you ain't getting your Prius. Not to Carvana. Oh! Is he good? Oh my gosh. I'm so glad he's okay. Everyone in this video is okay. Is that a brake check? Your grill fell off, man. Just put the grill back on, get some duct tape. Easy. Oh my gosh, he's dead. Where's that going? Where's it going?
Oh my god.
He didn't left yet. Oh! Ah! Oh! Why? Why would you do that, Volkswagen? Stupid idiot. Yeah, you idiot. Literally could have killed her. Not joking. Oh my gosh.
Dude, this guy literally just lost control. Oh my god.
Ridiculous.
Bruh.
Who does that?
I know.
Oh my god.
Someone did that like not too long ago at a gas station where I live. It's kind of funny. I should have filmed it.
Oh my god, no!
Just gonna scratch it.
No! No! You're an idiot! Oh my god!
My left leg is cramping right now. Yeah. What's gonna happen here? Bruh.
Why the f did you do that?
Policeman took off from the gas pump and has the pump still on the side.
Oh. Did you forget to park? What was happening? Did you accidentally put yourself in neutral? It ain't closed anymore. Open. How do you manage this to do what? There goes all the Pepsis. All the newspapers. Dude, imagine you're about to clock out, right? And then you have this to deal with. I would quit. Dude, all the Pepsi.
Oh, so close.
Yes.
Did I just laugh there?
And boom, hit it. You got it, you got it. Oh!
Go.
At least we tried, right? High fives.
Bruh. Oh no. Oh no. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bruh. I mean, I don't even know what to say. Okay, what's gonna happen here? Oh, I guess he lost control. I mean, all you got was a busted tire. Not too bad. Oh no, oh no. Police say it's like stuck and no train's coming. Oh, what a lifesaver! What a hero! What happened here? Are they playing tug of war? They just look like tug of war with an invisible rope.
Пошли.
I'm so confused. Oh, we got a sheriff?
Oh my god.
Bruh. Idiot.
Oh my god.
The sheriff's right there.
What is going on here, dude?
He's getting ready for the shooting.
Oh, you're screwed. Oh. Bruh. A Lamborghini. You got a Huracan. Oh, it's a run.
Hey,
Oh, he's fleeing.
Wait, wake up! Come look! There's this dude running from the cops!
What is this? We still haven't laughed. I want to laugh so bad. Oh. No. I laughed there, kinda. I kinda laughed. That's just rude.
Me cago en mi puta madre, hermano. No te creo.
So
That's just so
we
rude.
stopped.
Okay.
We stopped because of a picturesque view down there,
Okay.
and then my husband noticed something down in here.
Okay. That car is barely holding on, by the way. Oh, actually, it's pretty good. Never mind.
View down there, and then my husband noticed something down in here.
Let me guess, he fell. Someone's falling. What, a murderer? Car.
There is a car down there, upside down.
Well, that sucks. Dang! It's in park! Put it in neutral!
You alright, mate? No, mate, what have you done to yourself? You alright? How'd you fucking do that?
Who?
What happened there?
I don't know, mate.
Oh, mate, you've done yourself a mischief there.
That's not
I love the accents.
Yeah.
Was there a dog inside, was there? That's your car, mate. Where are you heading? Wait, where are you going, cunt?
Bro's gonna
It's on
steal!
the old Harry Holt.
Water pressure.
No!
How?
Brother.
Such in parking. Not just one.
I've
Not
seen this
just
clip.
two. Not just 3. But 5 cars.
How? What's gonna happen here? Let me guess, it's gonna be in neutral. Drive. Oh, she left it in drive. Okay. Ma'am, that's the accelerator. Oh, I've seen this clip. He just drives full ahead. Never trust your kid. It works perfect. Honestly, new, entity? Not entity, that's spirit stuff. New sculpture. I don't know. I can't English. It looks fine. It looks fine. Oh my gosh, bro! I'm gonna get left his e-brake on. Oh. Yeah, that happened.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What she's doing?
It's dangerous.
Hey, she's pulling it like a champ. Okay. We have not left yet. Oh no. Yeah! That's why you don't buy a Jeep! Because they don't do that! I promise everyone in this video is okay. I hate Jeep. Oh. Oh, there goes your side mirror. Freaking obliterated! Okay, that got me. Bro, just obliterated that. Oh no, what's happening here? Bro, just woke up. Oh, he's still asleep. Oh.
In a tube.
And just was like, yeah, that happened.
On the exhaust lad from work, he's got no clue. See what happens.
What happened to your exhaust? Oh, yep. Bruh.
Oh, dude, it's so soupy.
It's so soupy. You ain't getting your truck out there, man. Oh, you're worse. Oh, you're gone. Goodbye. Oh, he got lucky. You got lucky there.
Next thing.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Oh, I just up my heart, my soft top.
Bad day for you, sir. Oh no, what's gonna happen here? Nothing. Not too bad. Could've been worse. Bro's just walking calmly with his phone. He's like, it's whatever. Speed too fast? No. Wow. What's gonna happen here? I'm confused. I'm confused. What? Ooh. I've been pretty lucky with my car. I've almost had a couple crashes, but haven't yet. We've been lucky. None of them has been my fault, except like almost one. I got someone tried brake checking me in the rain, and I just slammed on the brake and almost turned into the other lane. I was sideways. It was just an. He had a bad car, and I guess, you know, when that free money.
Hello.
Nah, it's nothing too bad. It's just a sign. Just a little bump. Oh, that's just awkward for you, my guy. Don't hit the other car, please. Oh, it ripped his side. Oh, yeah. It can be fixed. You're going way too fast. Bro. Oh my gosh. This is... Oh, he dead. He dead. Oh! Was that Ejectocito, cuz? From Fast and Furious there? Oh, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Ooh. Lucky to be alive there. Lucky to be alive there. Oh. Did you not honk? I couldn't hear it, so. Bruh.
Sorry. Oh my god.
You really did not see that. That's wild. What are you doing? You locked out of your car? Bruh. How do you even do this? Like, how is this even able to happen? I don't know. Let me guess. They're gonna go in the mid lane. Or not in the mid lane. Oh. 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 Going way worse. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell. Did we laugh? Kinda. We'll get you next time. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell. Have a blessed day.